Oh, what is up, you guys? For today's video, we're going to be doing a little point of view driving with the E36 shitbox. I'm going to throw the GoPro on and show you guys how it drives. It's super bumpy. I think it's on like eBay coilovers right now, but definitely want to throw on like some BC racing coils. And the tires are pretty shot, the rear ones, but yeah, those wheels look a lot better than the stock like F30 wheels it had on. But yeah, and it also it needs an exhaust. The stock exhaust is like missing, I think, like from the H pipe or whatever down below. So it looks like a freaking, look at that, looks like open dumps. Definitely need a better exhaust. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little point of view driving video with the bucket. I definitely want to throw on the GoPro and make the same video with the 5.0. I just, the roads are kind of wet out. It just rained. So the Mustang gets a little sketchy, you know, in the rain. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. I'm trying to stay more consistent on the E36 build. And once I do get more parts for the Sting, then I'll post some more videos up on that as well. Enough talking, let's throw on the GoPro and get you guys. phone went. That shit got launched. Let me know what else you guys would like to see due to this thing. Would you guys like to see some like track days? Maybe make it into a grip build or make it into a drift build. I definitely want to swap out the auto trans because it's automatic. That shit's no fun. I want to throw in a manual and want a new steering wheel. This is the steering wheel it came with from the previous owner, and it's all crusty. Look at that dirt bag. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments what kind of mods you guys want to see done to this bucket. If you guys enjoyed that vid, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.